Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to introduce our automatic biscuit making machine production line, the perfect solution for bakeries and food factories. This fully automated line can produce hard biscuits, soft biscuits, sandwich biscuits, and even fun shapes like animals or letters. With easy mold changes, you can create different styles and flavors in minutes. The system includes everything from mixing and dough sheeting to molding, baking, cooling, sandwiching, and packaging. Built with high-quality stainless steel, it's durable, hygienic, and designed for smooth, non-stop production. With a capacity of up to 220 kilograms per hour and multiple heating options, it's flexible for small or large-scale businesses. If you want to save labor, boost efficiency, and expand your biscuit product range, this is the machine for you. Thank you.